WJON IP Radio, Fairfax, Washington.
The following is a message from the Emergency Alert System.
The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for Garrett, Maryland, Allegheny, Maryland, Highland, Virginia, Mineral, West Virginia, and Pendleton, West Virginia. Beginning at 6:59 p.m. January 6, 2022, and ending at 3:29 a.m. January 7, 2022. What? Heavy snow. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 10 inches, with localized amounts up to 12 inches, where, in Maryland, extreme western Allegheny and Garrett counties, in Virginia, eastern Highland County, in West Virginia, western Mineral, and eastern Pendleton counties. When? Until 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning commute. Additional details. Snow may fall at 1 inch or greater per hour later this evening. Visibility will drop down to 1/4 mile or less during the heaviest snow. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. When venturing outside, watch your first few steps taken on steps, sidewalks, and driveways, which could be icy and slippery, increasing your risk of a fall and injury.